Well, this here is a reef knot, and basically it locks onto each other as it pulls in, just like you see. So what we have here is that we have two strands that are being joined, and it's really quite awesome. And sometimes it's really quite convenient to do this. There's many ways to do it, and let's talk about a couple ways here. So one way to do the reef knot is actually very simple if you don't have anything attached to. So if these strands are already attached to something else, then it becomes a little more complex, but nothing that can't be done. So you're just going to take the two ends here of the red, and you're just gonna pick it up and just push it through the where it's folded in half on the other side of the yellow, just like you see. And now you're going to take the end of the yellow and you're gonna come up through the underside of the red. And now you can safely just pull everything nice and tight together, and they will join once it gets all the way to the center. So there is your reef knot right there. To show you this version again, you have two strands. If you have an option to do it this way, this is the easiest way. And all you're just gonna do is take the two ends here of the red, and you're gonna come up over top of the yellow and down where the fold is happening, just like you see. So you're going down underneath. So you can pull it a little bit, and now I want you to take this red one here and push the yellow up through the bottom to the top side of that. And so now you can just safely pull it, and that is your reef knot right there. So this is a reef knot if you don't have access to being able to do it the way I just showed you. So if you have to use an end, this is how you're going to do it. So you're gonna come up through the center of this. So see the red just coming up through the center, and pick it up and just push it up underneath and coming towards the bottom side of the work, just like you see there. So now what I want you to do is that just pull a bit of slack for that, and I want you to go up over top of these two yellow across like that. And guess where I'm gonna come out of? I'm going to just come back and just fold it so it comes up through the center once again like that, and now I can pull. That's a reef knot. So I'll show that to you again. To create a reef knot when you don't have access to being able to do it the original way I showed you, when you have to feed it through, is that you're going to start off your strand and you're gonna go down through the middle of where the bend is of the other cord, and you're gonna come up through the middle, go down through the middle, and then back out through the bottom, just like you see, and pull up quite a bit of slack. I want you to toss it up over top so it's crossing both of the yellow. And now I want you to pick up the yellow and put the red through the bottom section here, and it should be on the same in front where you see here, and you can just give it some slack if you need to, and just pull on it, and there is your reef knot.